Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how we can make Discord open on specific monitor. So what we'll need to do is basically open your Discord. Now it should open up. And basically you will need to wait a little bit. Okay, so let's say I want on the second monitor. So take it and drag it to the second monitor. And now what we'll need to do is basically like this. Just put it where you want to. Now just open system tray and exit your Discord. Now open Discord again. It should open up right here. So let's wait a little bit. Now you can maximize it, then exit your Discord again. And now just open a Discord and it will open up on the specific monitor that you did this. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.